Welcome to Review Lab. The best Gator Wipes is probably one of the most versatile and essential cleaning tools you can have in your arsenal, especially when you're on the go or dealing with unexpected messes. These heavy-duty wipes are designed to tackle tough grime, grease, and dirt, making them perfect for everything from cleaning your hands after a messy job to wiping down surfaces in your car or workshop. Their durable material ensures they won't tear easily, and the powerful cleaning solution leaves surfaces spotless without harsh chemicals, providing a convenient and effective solution for maintaining cleanliness wherever life takes you. Number 5. The Honest Company Baby Wipes. Introducing the Honest Company Baby Wipes, specially designed for your baby's delicate skin. They offer a gentle and effective clean, ensuring comfort with every use. Our wipes are hypoallergenic and completely fragrance-free, making them ideal for even the most sensitive babies. You can trust them to be pure and gentle. Beyond diaper changes, these wipes are perfect for various cleaning needs. Their multi-use design makes them a convenient essential for any parent. Add a touch of fun to your routine with our charming pattern play design. It's a small detail that brings a smile during everyday moments. Stock up and save with this generous 720-count pack, conveniently divided into 8 packs of 90. You'll have plenty on hand for all your needs. Choose the Honest Company for quality you can trust. We are committed to providing safe and effective products for your family. What we like. If you have a baby or sensitive skin, this is the one to go for. It's hypoallergenic and fragrance-free, making it gentle for even the most delicate skin. You should choose this if you prioritize natural ingredients and a gentle clean for your little ones. What people say. The wipes are thick and durable, holding up well during use. They effectively clean surfaces without leaving streaks. The dispenser is designed for easy one-handed use, which is very convenient. Number 4. Crocodile Cloth Original Cleaning Wipes. Introducing the original cleaning wipes designed for the toughest jobs. These heavy-duty wipes are your go-to solution for cutting through grease, grime, and dirt. Get a powerful clean with this value pack, containing 600 heavy-duty wipes. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Each wipe is generously sized at 15 inches by 10 inches for maximum coverage. Use them on multiple surfaces around your home or workshop. Our water-based formula is tough on messes but safe for your skin. You can clean with confidence, knowing it's gentle. Tackle stubborn grease, grime, and dirt with ease. These wipes make cleaning up tough messes simpler than ever before. Experience the difference with these versatile cleaning wipes. They are the ultimate solution for keeping your spaces clean and tidy. What we like. For tough messes and heavy-duty cleaning, this is your go-to. It cuts through grease, grime, and dirt with ease, making it perfect for workshops or garages. If you're tackling stubborn stains or need a powerful cleaner for various surfaces, this is the best choice. What people say. The Gator Wipes are a game-changer for cleaning dashboards and consoles. They leave a non-greasy, matte finish that looks factory fresh. The wipes are durable and don't tear easily, even when scrubbing tougher spots. Number 3. Crocodile Cloth All-Purpose Cleaning Wipes. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with Crocodile Cloth. These extra-large, plant-based wipes are designed for powerful yet gentle cleaning. Each wipe is generously sized at 15x10, offering superior coverage. Made from plant-based materials, they are a sustainable choice for your home. Experience the moist and absorbent nature of these cloths. They effectively tackle messes, leaving surfaces clean and fresh. You can feel confident using them around your family. They are formulated to be safe on skin, making cleaning less of a chore. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, these wipes are perfect for multi-surface use. Simplify your cleaning routine with their versatile application. This value pack includes 8 packs, totaling 640 cloths. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This option is ideal for general household cleaning and offers a generous size. Its plant-based and absorbent nature makes it effective for multi-surface use. Choose this if you need a versatile, eco-friendly wipe that can handle everyday spills and messes around the house. What people say. The wipes are thick and durable, making them great for cleaning up tough messes. They are very effective at removing dirt and grime, leaving surfaces clean and streak-free. The large size of the wipes means you can clean more with each one, saving you time and effort. Number 2. Crocodile Cloth Auto Cleaning Wipes. Introducing Crocodile Cloth Auto Cleaning Wipes, your ultimate solution for a spotless vehicle. These extra-large, disposable wipes are designed to tackle the toughest automotive cleaning tasks with ease. Effortlessly remove stubborn grease and oil from your car's engine. These powerful wipes cut through grime, restoring a clean and well-maintained appearance to your engine bay. Achieve a showroom shine with our body detailing capabilities. They effectively remove dirt, adhesives, and other contaminants, leaving your car's exterior looking pristine. Don't forget your tires. These wipes make cleaning them a breeze, cutting through road grime and brake dust for a fresh, clean look. Their cleaning power extends beyond your vehicle. Use them on your hands, tools, and various parts to remove grease, oil, and adhesives with incredible efficiency. Each wipe is generously sized at 15x10, providing maximum coverage and reducing the number of wipes needed. This means faster and more effective cleaning for you. What we like. If you're a car enthusiast or work with vehicles, this is specifically designed for you. It excels at degreasing engines, detailing bodies, and cleaning tires, tackling tough automotive grime. You should opt for this if you need specialized wipes for car maintenance and cleaning tasks. What people say. The wipes are thick and durable, making them great for cleaning up messes. They are very effective at removing dirt and grime, leaving surfaces clean. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 1. SPUDZ Ultra Variety Pack Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Introducing the SPUDZ Ultra Variety Pack, your ultimate cleaning solution. This pack includes 5 premium microfiber cloths designed for all your delicate cleaning needs. Experience a one-of-a-kind design where the cleaning cloth is securely tucked inside its protective pouch. A simple tug reveals the cloth, ready for immediate use. With an attached plastic clip, you can take this cleaning essential anywhere. Attach it to your gear or keychain for easy access whenever you need it. The cleaning cloth is directly attached to its carrying pouch. Simply push it back in when done, ensuring it stays clean and never gets lost. The neoprene pouch keeps the cloth dust and dirt free, and it's machine washable for repeated use. Safely clean your glasses, lenses, and electronic gadgets time and time again. These premium microfiber cloths are perfect for laptops, lenses, cameras, screens, and more. Enjoy a streak-free clean every time. What we like. For keeping your electronics and lenses pristine on the go, this is a fantastic choice. The unique travel pouch design ensures it's always protected and within reach. If you're looking for a convenient, portable solution to clean screens, cameras, or glasses without losing the cloth, this is it. What people say. The Gator Wipes are great for cleaning up messes on the go. These wipes are durable and don't tear easily, making them perfect for tough jobs. I love how effective Gator Wipes are at removing dirt and grime without leaving a residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.